We just received the release hostages, students and staff of the St. Lawrence University Institute of Ndop.
Today, number 20 day for November 2024, I bring una some update from Ngoketunja. First, we go bring una the message we come out from the divisional officer from Ndop, where he named Mr. Antewat Valley, and then we'll talk about the update where Shutang Umar bring up for una about some Amba terrorists where the Kunkumaisi, and also about the Amba terrorists, no pity, where they be come up with this nonsense, Boy Unity Warriors, on this day, 3 years ago. When I listen to the divisional officer from Ndop first.
We just received the release hostages, students and staff of the St. Lawrence University Institute of Ndop, who were kidnapped during their usual education activities while on their way to Babisi for sensitization. They were kidnapped by terrorists at the level of Baba 1. We thank God for their release. We have brought them here at the Ndop District Hospital, where the director is taking charge for medical control. All the 11 hostages came back alive. We use this opportunity to denounce with the strongest terms possible the harassment of road users, the harassment of civilians by the so-called Ambazonian fighters who don't distinguish any useful persons of the communities. This harassment must stop, be it at the level of Bamising, Bambalang, Baba 1, mounting in crimes against civilians, crimes against humanity. This has to stop. In the name of the Senior Divisional Officer of Ngoketunja, we are assuring the population that all is being done, that security of persons and property is assured. The medical, financial requirements for the health of these released hostages is taken care by the state. And we use the opportunity to thank the resilience of the various families that were involved. They were very patient since the 31st of October that these students and staff were kidnapped to today, the 19th of November. That is 3 weeks of hostage. We thank God for the resilience shown by each and everyone, and we maintain the assurance that all is being done, that persons and properties is protected in Ndop, in Ngoketunja. Thank you.
Okay. And now my country people them, when I listen to Shutang Umar give una update.
I hope they find, if they find no thank God. Yes, Papa, you go hear how we God Almighty in the answer the prayer for one side for that side for Ngoketunja. As she does some other day, you don't make like 1 week without Amba terror. There's some one that they call me for they cost me. So one that they say me I know they see them. So one they say if they put them I feel nothing know anyone they go do so with me, they go kill me. So one be day before yesterday on the 18th November 2024, military forces where they did for Bambalan, you know, say them said they know they sleep. So one see they don't attack them. So say they pass without their Okada where they used to pass. So where information don't already enter the military, they go down sleep for day. As they sleep for day, then two they come now on top machine. They knock and one just die for them as to plus. They also one now there for hospital where the hand be seriously. So now they think that the way it is. Yeah, Papa Igwe na the picture for the guy this way he don't die. Where they be call he say his name say na Robert. Now the picture for the guy this way he die. Yes, he died day before yesterday. Yes, we na Bamanka picking I say them be there for Bambala. You know say Bambala place na main place where this Amba terror they can't hide for day because of that island. Now Bamanka picking that Papa Igwe. Now the guy that way. As they just shoot them for the time, he just die on for the spot. Now one guy when a Bambala he run it on where they call say Rambo. So the one a Bamaka became Papa Igwe. Thank you.
Yes. Today, the 20th November 2021, we meet FM No Pity, the father of Marine Force of Amberland.
And this day, my country people them, exactly 3 years ago, on the 20th of November 2021, we will get these terrorists them, especially in Bashir Clement, where he call himself say, he been at the so-called Field Marshal for Marine Force of Bambalang. They will come together, they plan a coup for assassinate or eliminate so-called General Ensobu. So when I listen to the video where they will record them 3 years ago, after this coup where they will plot them against Ensobu, they succeed for actually kumkumize Ensobu on the 8th of April 2022, just about 5 months after. But before the one kumkumize Ensobu, it don't also kumkumize so-called General A2 and a few of the other ones them. So now the state of Ambazona terrorism days with the infighting where it is inside Bui division.
Okay, now me be General A2, Brigade General A2 for the Black Warriors of Bamgoy. So, thing we fit talk. I not get plenty for talk. Wait till where Major General is over don't do am. Me I don't know whether I don't do bad for you or I never do am. Because I be the follow na my brother for issue for them. One can reach for that issue for them now. So if I follow you again, I talk for you say my own brother, back the gun them. He say you don't hear. After again for morning time, I talk for you. I don't know whether I go do it now for Jotin. I want to see all the battalion them so. They come met up we say now so we get for find the gun them for General Viper. I talk say no, I not here cry so I remain for back. If I remain for back, me and you get two business where would they make them for the boy. So you don't can see me for squares and not be getting for talk. You go again back for evening. You take my own for gun them. Now think where she don't now for evening. I they talk for Major General so who say no be so that the rule people them. They don't rule people and say me the worker arrest gun them. Give fight so no be say we don't follow FM no PT. No be say now you don't come make and say me they fight the infighting. The infighting we don't really do since. The thing say ADF, the thing say IG. And wait you want for talk for the boy now say. The money where they say what drop or wait. If na say any general or any colonel or any commander, you don't ever can receive them. That means say me, I don't try to small for the boy. That means I not be don't ever see 125 for day. So I want talk. They may say what they send them so. I they send them about our Major General Sobu. We not fit deny say no be we but wait we don't make them. We not still need step here for the boy.
Thank you plenty my country people for listening to this update. I go bring una more extensive coverage where I go analyze and I go bring una the full videos where they be recorded 3 years ago on the 20th of November 2021 where they will talk about the so-called Bui Unity Warriors and the problems where they fight them. And the problems where they find with so-called Insobu, the infighting where they happen inside Bui, which is so fantastic because they don't complain about the Cameroon government anymore. They complain about their own infighting inside house. The same shit no white blast where they carry guns for 2017. So they fight against Cameroon government for protect Anglophone civilians. They turn the guns and they start fighting against themselves.
Go tell Isobu say, me Isobu, 4 soldiers, civilians, we gone, make a common march against a freedom fighter. I be so ashamed for una for diaspora way una the work at the Janjam or hit the full way for that year. But I want to make a very clear today say una not fit fool me.
One communion for this boy they register 250,000 per each year. Where all shops them 225 per each shop. Everything for this boy they pay for them. Where no come no they where they receive anything for these people them. If I want to where some come there where they receive the commanders them they go testify say they ever give them something. Since our Field Marshal church be die, we for we then have suffer. Now say we don't take and say we don't overgive respect say we can know the fight pa like if we don't fight here. So how we there so somewhat we don't come and say ADF or say we don't join ADF. We there for years so if people them for diaspora no unite, I'm saying that them no. Because thing where it be do and even ADF man no don't ever do that kind of thing for me. How when they talk to ADF man no don't ever do that kind of thing for me. So we could hear for we General Mad Dog. Me talk.
Money where Insobu they collect for town. No man know they receive 1 franc for them. No man know they receive 1 bullet for inside that money. Plus the one way they come on from diaspora, where diaspora people them, you know how where they manipulate that money for war draft. If man there for you where don't receive money for that war draft, it go talk for you, all we know. Because they don't make and so the jam we hate them. With the fight among we self, we're not between where we come up for we house for the fight. And I want to talk today, say, nothing like ADF and nothing like IG for Bui.
Clear, you clear.
Nothing that we are here for talk today.
Yeah, na Major General Kapori talk. All problem them where we will cry for bush. I be sure say all the problem they not finish.
Taxi colors. I know everybody is screaming. Everybody is uncertain. There are others who are attacking. The weaver birds are on the top of trees and they are screaming. I am not going to reverse the decision. Let me be absolutely clear. I will not reverse the decision.
For Ayabacho Lucas, yesterday, the 19th of November 2024, Ayabacho Lucas be there for court for Norway. When I know said they be arrested since the 24th of September 2024. The lucky, he not get access to a telephone, to any communication, he not get access to a family, to a woman or picking them, he not get access to anyone except for a lawyer. They don't lock it up for 2 months now, and he go for court yesterday, the 19th of November. The court it decides say they go must lock it for another 2 months. So the next time when they go adjourn or they go meet up for discuss this case again, now for January 2025. So Ayabacho Lucas, where he be talk say they want for pick up guns for fight against the Cameroon government for liberate Wuna Anglophones them. Today they contribute money for one man country for liberate Ayabacho Lucas from the Norwegian courts and the Norwegian authorities them. My country people them. Ayabacho Lucas it go chop Christmas and New Year for Ngata, for Norway. Gone are the days where they be plan for declare lockdown for Una, for burn Una taxi, then for Bamenda and all of that nonsense. Ayabacho it will enjoy Christmas and New Year for Norway inside prison. So that one at the update.
Taxi can be painted white, it can be painted blue. You can also paint blue and white. It's an act of resistance. You can even impose a fine for taxis that do not change their colors in the month of July and give them time to make sure that happens. I will also call on our people to avoid taking any cap that has a yellow color. You don't want to be caught in the crossfire because it's happened, it's going to happen. And you should avoid boarding any taxi that has yellow color. Those who change their color are taking a stand. They are taking a stand against Cameroon.
That's why look and say all the general they hardly go battlefield. I tell you the truth. You know how many times we lie on those plan, send the picking them. I want to tell you, Skybean a story no ever know. How many times we lie on those plan for battlefield so they go wipe you? They are the tell ain't no go. I tell you the fact. So they don't join unity. Na lie, na game. Because Lion also when now Skybean I go climb as big general for that area now. Because Skybean now the top league pass Lion. If the OP get picking them pass the Lion. You don't understand. So in no Lion no now say after Skybean now so you know how many tell don't plan now. That's straight what they tell them never believe. I be telling so good I play. Now the game that way they survival of the fittest. So no man no fit ever and ever unite. Unity no day. So I want to tell you that small story. For what I don't tell you, drum, ask yourself a question. I don't want to go far. I want to talk 10 kobo. You think every today, Millie Pit and fuck on any friend. If you fuck get anywhere for white Millie Pit go wipe them. Millie Pit to bury no white fuck go wipe focus. I tell you because of it, French no ever day. I tell you the day when they take their arms, their weapon, they point among themselves, snake by snake. That day they destroy the whole thing. That day they destroy the whole. I tell you, like I said, they destroy the whole thing. So there's nothing like unity. One see the two I can tell my papa the way the story where Jonah where go draw from here. The story where go learn for what I tell you. I will tell you where they listen to me for diaspora. I will tell you say you need for Shidonda you apologize. You need for Shidonda go for church. You need them. Where we don't ever give 1 franc for this so-called madness from the west and west. Need them. You pray. May God forgive me. A Pekin not ever come after you tomorrow because no, I swear to God. Una picking them they will surely how una hit them for street one day. Listen, they love will come a day. I tell you the truth because no, see, una don't commit, see, una don't destroy. Una don't see, una don't destroy Anglophone youth. I swear to God, see. boys they don't die. Ha, Papa God. See, people they are picking they don't die. No be even me to kill them. Only them. I mean to tell you, people they are picking they don't die. No commit no crime. The only thing they carry they go na stupidity they go carry gun. They will bring you kind motive. Say that the motive this. Bah! The story end. Bury someone them alive. You know how it pain. You think that begin to go for granny Christ waiting. Diaspora don't destroy. If Cameroon government forgive this guy there for diaspora, I'm not sure so some people for foreign go forgive them. And if care is not taken that way, at the ever tell everybody say Cameroon government need to go seriously for reconciliation commission, peace and reconciliation commission. Because now I no go lie you. Wait till the foresee them tomorrow. All the body for diaspora they are picking them. But they will enter for the country tomorrow. No go easy. I swear to God. I tell you story where you don't know if you understand. That's why that if you ever come for ground, when they feel like Cameroon government, and everybody will chop them raw. If you say go Ayok Tabe and they tell you like they for prison today, government is doing a favor. I swear to God. Government is doing a big favor. Naira 10, government doing a favor. So that was say free say go Ayok Tabe and now we no get sense in the talk. No man for ground, so no one may free them. No picking the carry gun for bush. You know no say go Ayok Tabe. In everyone may free. And then they ask you. If you want doubt them, call any call ex-combatant, call any people carry gun for your hand, wait there for bush. Get conversation we about to Tabe. You tell say any man will start this struggle, go punish you. I swear to God. Anyone we don't get some say ask you to say any man will start this struggle, go punish you. See, the second Ayok Tabe there for prison today, might digress. Government doing a favor. Because that ground, if people for oxide, people will go chop it raw. And they tell you say people go chop you, people chop it raw and chop. They go chop it raw and chop them. For the life they don't go. When they talk something, don't talk out of because of our own personal interest. We talk because we want to make some money for some side. We talk because we make can't give you some money. No, don't speak like that. Speak the truth. Ayok Tabe there for that place. Now God, President Paul be happy because now if they free that ground, people go chop it raw. I swear. People go chop it raw. You know what I tell you now? People go chop it raw. Even they send me for prison, Ayok Tabe for different prison, never Konenge, for different prison, wherever they will kill it. I swear that's how they chop it raw. Even for prison for Boya, may just tell them say go visit. They leave you 1 minute. Boy, they for that they don't see their life, they decline and say that grand put them for that kind of shock, that lie. No even if you know to talk. I don't even know pain when I talk. See, your body don't go down. The pain. The man we don't know. The man we you don't know. There is nothing like unity. I be promise when I say I'll tell you how the body make their money. Yes, the money for ground zero. Now the body said they make them. They get access the way they give them money. They get Bangkoko bush them, Banga farm them. They give tax to people them. I mean they give money. See, one thing of ground zero way something that I want to talk away be very, 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 very important. You see most of the people they go buy the cocoa, them buy thing them, do what they for that bush them, so they do that thing, they give about the money. When they go get about the money, they complain. They 1 minute to touch one, you go here talk for the whole site. Because they get again the player. Yes. They will understand. Their money, the command of ground zero. You need to think about the diaspora. Sky B. Money we say they go cash out boy for Nigeria. We go buy weapon the more than 20 something, close to something AK. We catch it for Nigeria. They will time. It is prison now. You know how much? We they give. That's why they contribute that money for ground. The video we also, I mean, for 5,000, papa 10,000. We mean say, if I don't want a house on a 10 or 100 man picking or 5 man picking, na 50,000 that. So the need to say that each house will know any human being. Then if he comes to cocoa, you get one cocoa farm, maybe 20,000, two cocoa farm 40,000 or 10,000. If we work two party, give 10,000. If you be patron, we give 15,000. So you can say all cocoa farm after they don't give 10,000 again. One day they contribute how much? All the sisters they give money, all them they give money. All they tell you to they go very when I try to talk, all they give money. People don't know. Who know? Me, who there for here. There is nothing for guys if you tell me. When I be who, I might tell you which way you can know the game where they pass on ground. Pass you. If you be for some, if you don't work for Anglophones over 10 years from the beginning of the crisis, there are no things here, you know the crisis reach me. You don't know the item. People can't tell you. People feel tell you lie, give you fake information because they want something for you. The people they tell you out of experience. People that's what they tell you, tell you. Make you understand. People like who know how Anglophone people they think. See, if you want to end this crisis, you don't need for pity no Anglophone man for bush. Any mommy who they for that bush side them, who you meet up them, no pity. If it's now, you elders of the Amber they no ever tell you. They sue, they go call them. If it's now, I tell you the fact. I tell you the fact. So if you want to end this thing, only for the pets on people, you need to pet them. The hard way is the only way. So I can't for tell you say there is nothing like unity. From the way I don't tell you, draw your conclusion. And I can't for tell you to say, you where you watch me, high time don't reach for help yourself. High time don't reach for support the security forces. For say no to this nonsense. Because there is nothing like independent. Cameroon is one and indivisible. No human being can divide Cameroon. That is just the truth and the reality. So I just come out today to just ask you these basic questions. Unity. Can they unite? It's your choice. So I just come to tell you, say, forget about that noise of the diaspora. The diaspora no get more boys than on ground. First advantage, I'm going to recruit, not picking a gender nonsense, which is disadvantage for their side. 2, Amber they kill Amber. Civilian they kill Amber. Military they wipe am. Then they stand for side. Matter of time. That noise is the end for the day. While we Jamaican for ground zero, we did ground. Thank you very much. Una stay blessed. We'll talk some other time. Okay. Affecting families. That is just the fact. Now, what I will tell Cameroon government, see, I see put this one leg and appeal for the government. See, one thing they will, I want to digress more before I end the live broadcast. One thing they will for our country, if I look at it, worry me. When they put some person, they create some commission, they put some person like head for that commission, would they realize that the commission be dormant? I tell you the truth. Since I hear say they create House of Chief for Southwest and Northwest, Southwest, I never ever see no nothing they do. They do something, don't get me wrong, but we need to hear them. People don't even know. At the worker go for villages upon villages then. Don't get me wrong. No, not misinterpret my message. Listen to me. Me, I go on ground on daily basis. Right for the most remote village where no get network. We use that 7 hours for check at the go there. With my leg. Go meet up mommy and papa them. Talk to them. Even right inside place where inside Kumba, when networks every day, people they meet up, they don't know nothing. Where you don't even know say Cameroon government don't create House of Chief. No. I tell you the truth. No. You not even know. Say something there, that kind of why they exist. Because they're waiting. When they put something, the people there's no follow up. If they follow up to get how it be, No information. When you are not informed, you are deformed. One of the highest thing we make today, boy, they carry gun for bush. Now lack of information. Yes, lack of information. Because information is power. If they are picking the big girls on uniform, get information of, and okay, no one go far. I want to digress more. More look at this platform, the countryman. The Igbo one and know the grand countryman, all man the countryman. As to get a man line on, there is no organ not there for the country today. We talk about the ongoing crisis for North Southwest apart of that platform. The people that today they be informed, they be sensitized because of that platform. Show me any. Show me any. But there are people when they get big office with big budgets. They drive big motor, then jeep upon jeep with kind security, but there's nothing to show up for. They don't care. As far as they know, they don't jackpot, they don't travel abroad. Show me any platform where they report the crisis. Even at the countryman, the peace will get on today and then make more. All my encounter, you want to say countryman something like can bring a light where people figure some place, narrate some information. People get information today because of that platform. People be sensitized to it because of that platform. When I hard work, I tell you the truth that if more be honest, if this platform may be there, if this countryman may be there for Cameroon today, make any man point anything for the country today, or for even get some hopes, or for even understand what the department, any man show me, na Shell TV, na Equinox, na Media Prime, na what TV station? Which one? Show me one. Show me one. No more be honest. See, I'm not here to showcase. I'm not here to talk about, but I'm here to talk the truth. No one, no, the any man will vex because of it, that jealousy man. And the truth that way, they show me one. Even today, they get go stand there and deal some people because of it. Now the power of sensitization. Civilian today, they take minutes to go show that boy there. Now the power of sensitization and communication. Now through that platform, they give them that courage. Yes, I tell you the truth. Don't let me surrender today. Now through that platform. So show me any platform. Even the coordinator, the way they put themselves for all regions, the way they put themselves. How many times you don't ever see a part of the national coordinator? See, I want time the papa. This papa for this Parliament Commission, the national coordinator, Governor Fayongo Francis. I swear to God. Because when I look all the other center them, and then hide them for talk them. And then you see them even on television. If you get some small program or if you sensitize the people, it's not there. Apart of that, papa, the work he has, day and night. Until I see for television, until I see for this, it's not easy. It's not easy. You say, who is struggle now for struggle for promote the commission. It's not easy. Because too much laxity and incompetence of our plans for the country. You give some man information today, the next day ask you. When now he work for government, they give money, he get budget, he get all thing. He the one minute you work for he, make it job. You go there for government for how many years? You don't know the difference between Asawana and Ribbons. You don't know who be who. But you work, they give money for everything where they do and where they ask different person. So one day I'm picking. It's the fact I'm telling you, let us be honest. When I look at it, I cry. Yes, I cry. There's not. There is none. Today, there is none. The people would even say that we should also see information on them. There is none. The people that collaborate with the countryman will tell everybody in a countryman. But I talk to that platform every day. How would they? Would they for side? No, for they for side. When they create commission, no follow up, nothing. I see put do an appeal for the government. We need a commission of reconciliation and peace. That commission will go struggle. People that would do I'm ready for platform here. With the plead, with the beg for build that relationship back. We no more wait. No more wait. May the time reach or the war end. Because the two will go back tomorrow. Cold war. You bad what you see now. We work actually see their body for road the next day. Or go see their body for road. It no go easy. I tell you the truth and the reality. Because I stand for the truth and I love my country. I love my country, Cameroon. Yes, I love my country. That's why we would sacrifice our own life for this nation. People who don't sacrifice our life for the Cameroon, who don't care anyhow we do, we don't sacrifice our life for the country. I won't sacrifice our life for our people. It's a fact that the tell now. People don't even know. See, see, that is when I go for that villages, I dey realize never went for that villages, but the people they study me. They know countryman. Life story. But they don't know what to the past. Now we take that information, go right for that village, sensitize them, tell them the good way government get them for them, tell them what the government don't do them for them. But there are people then that are commissioned and that is supposed to do that work. It's a fact I'm telling you. That the thing that they face are incompetency. I think that they face are incompetency. Information on the flow. It's the last time we I be get some issues, some guy way to don't post a concours for Cameroon. The military officer for that matter. Me I see people like highlight the small picking set. I think my picture was so snappy. I tell you I say don't want to my hand. I've surely forget my hand for your face. To be honest. You go see press release for public consumption. They post and you tell president to get a poster because wait, you want to go take money for different man test concours don't come out, may they give you money. I actually say we there for that play today, so now be tell you. Your papa be tell you. Your papa number who be view the information too. My dear brothers, my dear sisters, high time don't reach for we for look into the mirror one on one. Ask yourself a question. If na your pikin, if na your brother, what will happen? Most struggle to save a small life with the day than say the loss is all. Boys who don't die, no independent, no day, and they go still die, and they go die more and more and more again. So I can't tell you all this story. Unity no day, and unity no go ever be for ground zero. I tell you as a professional, I tell you as somebody. If you don't follow me for long, you go realize all wait away I tell you. Now wait away, it happen and it happen and it will still happen. Thank you very much. Una stay blessed. We'll talk some other time and some other day. Thank you very much. Thank all the country people. Thank the king of all the black leg for your wonderful job we do. Grand friend, may God bless you. God give you more strength and protect you and give you more life. I will enjoy your children. Special thanks to my mother. We know. God bless you. Pray for you for a long life and prosperity so that may you chop the fruit of your labor also. Thank you so much and stay blessed. I love you all. My product, Dr. Countryman Jr. We'll see some other day, some other time when I Countryman get you.